Do you want to know how to raise your credit score fast in 2025? Bad credit costs you money every single day. Higher interest rates, higher insurance, and even missed opportunities. But the good news is, you can start fixing it right now. Step 1. Check your credit report. Go to annualcreditreport.com and download it for free. You'd be surprised how many errors are there. Step 2. Dispute negative items. Collections, late payments, and mistakes can be removed if you challenge them the right way. Step 3. Keep your credit card balances under 30% of your limit. This one simple move can boost your score in just a few weeks. If you don't want to deal with the stress of doing it alone, that's where I come in. My business helps clients repair their credit, file their taxes, and even with notary and immigration services. Call me today or check the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs financial help. Your financial freedom starts today.